My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps, Arizona, and today we're talking about the Footprint. I don't know if you remember from the last video, but I just put up this tent, and I did not have the Tiger Wall UL3 tent Footprint, and I contacted Laura, and she was like, yeah, I would recommend getting it, because the tent is so, it's not thin or anything, but it's delicate and you don't want to rip it or make it, it's Grand Canyon, it's kind of extreme. So we don't want to do anything to it that would cause an issue. So I just went out and bought this. Yes, it was $80. This is my first huge purchase when it comes to tents. The tent itself costs $500. Today we are T-minus 7 days until the Grand Canyon. So I have to do this today. Otherwise, I'm not going to be able to film before I go, the unboxing. So today we're doing the unboxing. This is the tent Footprint. It's for the Tiger Wall UL3 tent, as you can see there. Solution dyed tent. It's got the little check mark on it. It's a Tiger Wall Footprint. Fly Creek. So it says it's for the big Agnes footprint can be used as a ground cloth to extend the life of your tent floor, or it can be used in the fast fly configuration. I'm not too sure what that means. We may have to look that up. The fast fly configuration requires a footprint tent fly poles and stakes. Fast fly setup is not available on all tents. Footprints for each tent are sold separately. So the Tiger Wall solution dye, this footprint weighs 7 ounces. So that's what I wanted. Sorry, can you see my dog? She's been wanting attention all morning. So we're gonna clip it to the bottom of that tent. See how it goes. Should be good. Let's do the quick unboxing here. And I'm gonna clip it to my tent, and then we're gonna roll up my tent. And I think I'm just gonna do this all in this video. So why don't you come with me? Anyways, this just snaps right off. It's just a little card to tell you what it's about. Here is the actual thing. And it's just folded very neatly, very tightly into that little tiny bag. And then it's got like these little cords where, like, I don't know if you saw, but Laura and I put rocks in these and we staked out the tent this way. You know what I mean? So you could do something similar if you wanted. Okay, and then I think the tent kind of goes into these. It clips into here. So the tent itself clips into these little rivets, and away you go, So then you can like stake all this out if you wanted. You can stake these out if you wanted. Done. So the key here is that this tent has one pole, which is on this side, and then 2 poles, it goes down this way on this side of the tent. So let's just attach this to the bottom. I just want to see if it fits, make sure it looks good. Sorry if you're not gonna be able to see a lot of this part. Apologize. Perfecto. And then these 2 come over here. Yeah, sorry if you can't see it. Apologize. Over here. There we go. And then you can kind of see how light the tent is. You can just kind of pick it up, set it down. Nice, huh? I know. My dog. Anyways. Thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps anniversary. Thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you liked it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.